Hi everyone, if you are curious on the Qwen app and wondering on how to download it on your iPhone, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Qwen app on the iPhone. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the App Store on your home screen, then open it. After opening the app, tap onto the search button at the bottom just right here. Then tap onto search bar and type Qwen. After that, here you can find the Qwen app at the second option right here. Now tap on it. Then to download it, tap onto get button just right here. Now confirm that you want to install the app just like this and wait for a few seconds and the app will be downloaded. And now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now to open the app, simply tap on to open. You can see the app has been opened. You can also find the app on your home screen just like this. And that's it. This is how you can download the Qwen app on the iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.